10 Mythbusters of COVID-19. 1. 5G mobile networks do not spread COVID-19. Viruses cannot travel on radio waves or mobile networks. COVID-19 is spreading in many countries that do not have 5G mobile networks. It spreads through respiratory droplets of an infected person. People can also be infected by touching a contaminated surface and then their eyes, mouth or nose. 2. The amount of alcohol-based sanitizer matters. Apply a palm full of alcohol-based sanitizer to cover all surfaces of your hands. Rub your hands together using the right technique until they are dry. The entire procedure should last 20 to 30 seconds. 3. Touching a communal bottle of alcohol-based sanitizer will not infect you. Once you have sanitized your hands, you have disinfected them from any germs that may have been on the bottle. If everyone uses sanitizer in a public place, such as a supermarket entrance or college entrance, the risk of germs on communal items will be lower and will help keep everyone safe. 4. Alcohol-based sanitizers are safe for everyone to use. Alcohol in the sanitizers have not been shown to create any relevant health issues. Little alcohol is absorbed into the skin, and most products contain a moisturizer to reduce skin dryness. Allergic contact dermatitis and bleaching of the hand hair due to alcohol are very rare adverse effects. 5. The likelihood of COVID-19 being spread on shoes and infecting individuals is very low. As a precautionary measure, particularly in homes where infants and small children crawl or play on floors, consider leaving your shoes at the entrance of your home. This will help prevent contact with dirt or any waste that could be carried on the soles of the shoes. 6. People should not wear masks while exercising, as masks may reduce the ability to breathe comfortably. Sweat can make the mask become wet more quickly, which makes it difficult to breathe and promotes the growth of microorganisms. The important preventive measure during exercise is to maintain physical distance of at least 1 meter from others. 7. The prolonged use of medical masks can be uncomfortable. However, it does not lead to carbon dioxide intoxication nor oxygen deficiency. While wearing a medical mask, make sure it fits properly and that it is tight enough to allow you to breathe normally. Do not reuse a disposable mask and always change it as soon as it gets damp. 8. The coronavirus cannot be transmitted through mosquito bites or houseflies. To date, there has been no information nor evidence to suggest that the new coronavirus could be transmitted by mosquitoes or houseflies. 9. Being able to hold your breath for 10 seconds or more without coughing or discomfort does not mean you are free from the coronavirus disease or any other lung disease. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are dry cough, tiredness, and fever. Some people may develop more severe forms of the disease, such as pneumonia. The best way to confirm if you have the virus producing COVID-19 disease is with a laboratory test. You cannot confirm it with this breathing exercise, which can even be dangerous. 10. Antibiotics do not work against viruses. They work only against bacteria. COVID-19 is caused by a virus, and therefore antibiotics should not be used for prevention or treatment. However, if you are hospitalized for COVID-19, you may receive antibiotics because bacterial co-infection is possible. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.